In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Kaufman Stress Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find it, add it to your chart, and get into the settings so you can start using it in your own analysis without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The steps are the same. On your chart interface, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits in the main toolbar above your chart, and it might be labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click that button to open the Indicators window. When the Indicators window appears, you'll see different categories, but to move quickly, focus on the search bar at the top of that window. Click once inside the search field so you can type. This is where we're going to look up the Kaufman Stress Indicator directly, instead of browsing through long lists. Now, start typing Kaufman Stress Indicator into the search bar. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. Make sure you type the full name so you get the correct script. Once you see Kaufman Stress Indicator appear in the list of results, move your cursor over it and click on it once. As soon as you click, the indicator will be added to your chart, and you should see it appear either in a separate panel below the price or overlaid depending on how it was designed. With the indicator now visible on your chart, the next step is to customize it. On the chart, find the label or legend for the Kaufman Stress Indicator, usually on the left side of the indicator panel or at the top where its name is displayed. Next to that name, you'll see a small gear icon. Click that gear icon to open the settings window for the indicator. Inside the settings, you can adjust inputs like lengths, smoothing values, or any custom parameters the creator included, as well as colors and visual styles. Take a moment to explore these options and tailor them to your trading style, but always make small changes and see how they affect the chart before committing to a full setup. Finally, if you haven't already upgraded to TradingView Pro, use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you can unlock the full power of this indicator and enjoy a smoother, ad-free charting experience while you trade or backtest your strategies.